Hi guys, I'm showing you some new script and was so cool and you never seen this before. So now I'm on my browser. It looks activated. There you go. As you can see, was so cool and we have the finder. This finder brain rot or auto hack. Find in 2 minutes. Anti-ragdoll and infinite jump chili booster. So many in here. You can now ASP some time, player, base, or optinator, X-ray, all in here. This was so cool. And we have the fly to the bio and aimbot. From the main, as you can see, you can now get this. Auto buy brainrot or something. We need this at the from the update or Taco Tuesday admin abuse. From the admin abuse update. And this is so cool right now. Go try it. Go now.
Chimpanzee Bananini.
Go now try. This is so cool. I got an infinite jump. So this is the end of the video, guys. Bye.